Okay.
Well, I want to get on top.
Oh, okay.
And then you can stand there and you get us.
Okay.
Because this is our apartment, right? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Rilla and Lucy, tell us what you've been doing.
We were in the sprinkler. We ate breakfast and lunch, watched Dora, and we went to the zoo with Olivia, went to a playground, and we enjoy this day. Thank you.
What are you doing outside right now?
Just standing.
What have you been doing? Why are you all wet?
Because we were in this, we told you, this sprinkler.
Oh. Lucy, why are you all wet?
Because I get my hair all wet.
Yeah, what got your hair all wet?
The sprinkler.
Oh. Were you...
Oh, there's a bug.
A bug? Where?
On my nose.
Oh, no. Rilla, do you see a bug on her nose?
No.
I don't see a bug on your nose, Lou.
Okay.